Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your headphones EDIFIER STAX S5 on your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to Connected Devices or Bluetooth. At the device list you need to tap at the settings icon or information icon near to your headphones. And right here we have a name, and near to the name here's pencil icon. You need to tap at this icon. On some phones it's located at the right top, and also some phones have a line with a name, so then you need to tap at this line. They haven't this pencil icon, but we will tap on it. And right here, write the best one for you. Let's say I wanna remove this text and add something like this one. After you finish, the most important is to click Rename at the right bottom here. But on your phone it may be Done or OK or check mark, so tap at this button. And now we just change it and save it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!